June 19th, 2019, I made an unboxing and review video over the Ducky 1-2 Mini keyboard. It's also a gaming keyboard. Here we have the Ducky 1-2 Mini 60% RGB keyboard. Unfortunately, because I wanted to ear the dog, but this, so I got to ear the pig, so it's just gonna be a fat ass pig. So to give a little bit of a sidetracked backstory, Ducky Keyboards is made in Taiwan. And in Taiwan, they go off of years with animals. So for instance, mine being in 2019, I got the year of the pig. Some people could get the year of the rooster. Some people could get the year of a monkey, the year of the snake, the year of the horse. It all depends on what that sign is for that year. But enough of all that. What I'm gonna do in today's video is give you guys a full comprehensive review again after 1.5 years. I know I should have done it probably at a year, but I think at a year and a half, it's really at that point, it's like, is it gonna be able to be a nice keyboard for 2+ years, or is it just gonna be nice from a year and a half to 2 years? In this video, you guys are about to find out. Now guys, if you go to the mechanicalkeyboards.com link in the description, then use the code Robbie, I get a certain percentage or commission off of your purchase. Alright guys, so here we have the Ducky 1-2 Mini RGB 60% keyboard. This is a gaming keyboard. It's incredibly nice, incredibly small. Obviously, your normal size keyboard is going to extend way out beyond the camera frame that you can personally see right now. Now, after a year and a half, this keyboard has given me some issues. However, it still works mostly correct 90% of the time. Do I still recommend it even though I've had some issues with it? Yeah, of course. It's a great gaming keyboard. So what I'm gonna do right now is show you guys what the issues are, but I have to remove all of the keycaps first, as well as the main motherboard of the Ducky keyboard. So without further ado, I'm just gonna bypass that. Now guys, I did forget to mention that I did get Cherry MX red switches, which are the clickiest ones. Brown are pretty much like in the in-between middle kind of section. And then blue is more of the really like more denser. What? But I don't think it's as bad as black, which I think black is like the toughest. And I think there's like light red or silver. I think there's a whole bunch of different ones, and it's just all sensitivity. Supposedly it's the best for gaming according to mechanicalkeyboards.com, which again, they're a really reliable website, so don't ever feel like you're gonna get scammed or anything, because you're definitely not. I bought my keyboard from there. Now I guess this is about to be a little bit of a plug, because if you guys actually get these guys, which is Rosewell, they're dampening O-rings, so you put them on the bottom of keycaps. But these guys actually do help a lot, because when I don't have these guys in there, the keycaps are really clicky. So I highly recommend these. They're like maybe 20 bucks on Amazon. Look at this. This is basically like the instructions on how to do it. It literally goes underneath the keycap. It's cool. So guys, I know you guys can see my keyboard's a little messy. It's got some hairs in it, it's got some junk in it, but that's okay. It's a gaming keyboard. If you don't eat at your gaming setup, then you're not a real gamer. That truly is what it is. First thing we gotta do is obviously unplug this guy, and then we gotta take out these screws, which the best thing that I like about the Ducky 1-2 Mini is that they built it to where you can take out 5 to 6 screws and take out the motherboard super easily, and then repair it if you need to. That's disgusting. So right now we have only the motherboard as well as the keycaps, and the craziest thing about this guy, so I know that you could take out this from the actual shell of the keyboard, but you can't actually take off this white part unless you take out all these keycaps, and these keycaps are all soldered together, so it's one whole component, which I'm sure you guys could probably be able to see here. It's all one component. Then you have the motherboard. Now here is where I don't like the durability. This is all one component, and normally it's not. So I play a lot of COD and Fortnite. I use this keyboard vertically, so it's like this, and essentially I have my fingers like this, my hand in this position, and I use the left control as well as the space bar a lot, because I jump, I slide, cancel. The only bad part about these things is that the switches sometimes go out rather quickly, and it sucks because it's not exactly the easiest thing to repair. However, it's a lot easier than what you think. So I know I did a double negative. It's hard and it's not hard. So for instance, the space bar here and the left control here, I've had to take out the switches and replace them with the exact same, which again, if you guys go to mechanicalkeyboards.com, the link down in the description down below, and use code Robbie, you can find extra switches. So for instance, I had to get extra Cherry MX red switches. You can get blue, red, black, silver, white, light red, brown. You can get all those on mechanicalkeyboards.com, and I believe they're $10 for a pack of 10, so they're $1 a piece, which is actually really insane. I've only had to use, I think, 3 so far, and I've had these spare ones for probably over a year now. This here, I will say though, the keys don't last as long as I'd like them to, especially for a gaming keyboard when you use it 24/7, even with typing and editing. Anyways, the color mode works, RGB works perfectly fine. It's just the matter of the switches not working sufficiently as long as I'd like them to, but it's really just a solder and unsolder and then solder again. It's not that hard. So for $99, unless you get a limited edition one, this keyboard is insane. So after a 1.5 year review, I'm still happy with it, and I would recommend it to anybody. Anyone who's a beginner gamer to pro gamer. I really do enjoy the 60% keyboards. The only problem is when I'm editing, like I do keyframes, a lot of keyframes, so this doesn't exactly have the arrow keys unless you press the FN and then the arrow key, which I don't do. Normally I have to use my mouse for that, but other than that, this keyboard is insane, and I paid $99 for it. That's it. No shipping, no taxes. It was all included, so $99. So again, guys, go to the link in the description to mechanicalkeyboards.com. Use my code Robbie. I get a certain percentage of the commission that is related to the price that you purchased. Helps me out. I literally use all the money from it to put forward to videos, so that way I can make them better and actually do a budget with the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Love you guys. Subscribe.